Alright, we're out here again. Construction site. There's some rain threatening, but we got two full batteries, and we'll run, see what we can get. I'm getting it unstuck. Hit reverse. Nice. Go. Well, definitely looks like she's been having some fun. What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll go somewhere else, and hopefully it doesn't get too much rain. All right, here we are, run number 2 of the day. Still raining a little bit. So we'll see how she does out here. Yeah, you got a good jump, dude. Do it. Yeah, it's pretty tough, isn't it? Yeah. Back it up. Take a little bit more speed in there. Go.